Hello everyone, a short video on how to change the dust filter or air filter on a Mercedes Benz GLC 300. I have here a 2017 model. So the first thing you would do is you'd need to, of course, pop the engine hood up. The way you do that is there is a lever over here. It's red. Pull it forward. That opens up the hood. I've already done that. So the hood is open here. When you're facing the car, on your left-hand side is where the air filter is located. We have a replacement filter here. I will put a link to it. This is an original Mercedes Benz filter that I am using to replace. This is the box. This is the new filter. There are two plastic knobs here that need to be removed, and then that lets you remove this plastic cover. When you get that, you can put it aside, and then the dust filter or air filter that cleans the air going into the passenger compartment of your car is located here. You open up by pulling upwards this plastic thing housing. You flip it over. You see this is where the old filter is, and you can see mine is pretty dirty, needs a change. That's the new filter. So at this point, it's just a simple matter of taking this old filter out and then slipping the new one in. Since I'm taking the video myself, I have only one hand, so I can't do it live. But this part is obviously going to be easy. You can just pry this old filter out and then put the new one in. You don't need any tools. That's all you need to do. Replace the old one. If the old one was replaced, you would then just put this back in. You can see there are a few tabs over here up, and then two holes down here where these tabs need to go back in. So to put it back, you would angle them back in and then snap it in place like this. And that would be it. Then of course you would have to put back this piece and snap these two screws back in so that it's tight. Since I have one hand, this is not angled in correctly, but you get the point. You'd have to put that in and then obviously close your hood and you're done. And that's a very, very simple way to replace your passenger air filter or dust filter. I don't remember the cost, but it was about under 20 bucks for this new filter. So in 20 bucks or less, you can get this easily done. If you were to be doing this while your oil change is done in a professional place, I'm guessing they would try and charge you at least 60 to 80 bucks just for something like this. So quick way to do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.